Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be detailing ceramic coating and installing XPEL PPF to a 911. The car itself belongs to a very good friend of ours. It's an early aero kitted Garage Red 996. Very nice car. Has been very well enjoyed over the course of its life, so it's had a little bit of paint here and there. Its owner was practically exploring the idea, I suppose, of a full repaint. He ended up settling on just having the front end refreshed due to stone chips, etc., etc. So that's why we're going to be putting PPF on the front end, because that paint is fresh and new. The rest of it, arguably, did not match. There was a few little color discrepancies, and overall condition probably just wasn't where he really wanted it to be. So we've decided that we would spend some time trying to get the paint as good as possible, because part of the magic of this car is that it isn't perfect. And I think sometimes whenever you take a project on and you give it a full repaint, then it loses a little bit of its soul, and you lose a little bit of the soul and the enjoyment of actually, taking the car out to really purposefully push it on, because you're scared of getting stone chips, etc., etc. It's nearly too perfect to enjoy purposefully. So we agreed that we would do some machine work, try and take it back, try and make it as uniform as possible all around. And I think you'll agree that we've absolutely knocked the ball out of the park with this one. So lots of machine work, lots of detail work in general. Get that all done for a start. We'll get some PPF on the front end to protect that. And then we're going to ceramic coat it using G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra and EXO version 5. So grab yourself a cup of tea, cup of coffee, get comfortable, grab some snacks as well. My personal favorite would be Maltesers, but sure, that's not really of any great importance to yourself, but hey, listen, it is what it is. So I get cozy, let's go. thank you for sticking around. Very enjoyable job for us. Really enjoyed that one. That is the kind of project that you love to be a part of. Getting someone to actually fall back in love with their car is really the reason I do what I do. I absolutely love little things like that. I say the word project because this car, when my friend bought it, he had a little bit of an issue with the engine. It's probably no surprise being a 996 or a Porsche in general, but the engine blew up. Not sure if you really believe that, but it did. It then had to have a hardtech engine fitted to it. Now, eagle-eye viewers amongst yourselves would have noticed the hardtech badge replacing the Carrera badge, and that's why. So he's taken a 1998 car, given it a very nice refresh. It's got a new engine, and now it's got new suspension components. Chassis is pretty much all fully refreshed. So very much good to go and enjoy. The car is now going to Le Mans Classic this year. So that's going to be a very interesting and cool trip to be involved in. But he doesn't have to worry about stone chips or anything now. This video was actually shot like a year ago. I thought I lost the footage originally. Turned out it was on an external hard drive. So hey, this is why I'm now making this video, so that you guys can see what's involved and hopefully enjoy it, I suppose. But I really hope that you enjoyed the video. It's just giving you a little bit of an insight into what we can do. You don't always have to fully respray something and detail it to the nth degree to get the absolute best out of it. And in some cases, when you do that, you're not going to go out and enjoy it the way that it was supposed to have been driven and enjoyed anyway. So anyway, this is a long tangent, but hopefully you've enjoyed it. And maybe, just maybe, you might drop us a wee subscribe. Until next time, see you later.